Wi-Fi is an essential part of our day. When it goes wrong, everything stops. You can't see Wi-Fi, you can't hear or touch it. But at Redway Networks, our specialist equipment and expertise mean we can accurately measure key Wi-Fi metrics, such as signal strength, signal to noise ratio, data rates, code channel contention, and we can even detect interference from non-Wi-Fi devices. We analyse the resulting data and the generated heat map of the buildings and outdoor spaces to identify problems and implement fixes accurately. The result? A strong, reliable Wi-Fi network that improves productivity and removes costly downtime. Get in touch. We'll be happy to discuss any issues you're currently facing and arrange a technical survey of your Wi-Fi network.